Hi, this is Sheri Richerson from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and SheriAnnRicherson.com, and I am super excited to share with you today some of my favorite holiday cookie recipes. Now, these videos are going to be a little bit different than what you might expect because the first part of the video is going to be the mixing of the dough, and all of these recipes are available as a downloadable PDF, so you will have those so you can use them to replicate the recipes if you want. And then after we make the cookies, I'm going to show you actually how to bake them, what they look like going in, what they look like coming out of the oven, and I'm going to end with a cookie plate. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the videos, and we're going to jump right in with a sugar cookie recipe. And what is really great about this recipe is the cookies do not run if you do this right, so your cookies are going to look the same when they go into the oven as when they come out of the oven.